Hello buddy, what you're looking at here is a 1982 Casablanca 4-season ceiling fan. I got this fan from eBay for about 200 bucks. This is probably one of my favorite fans in my collection. I just love it so much. It looks very nice. And yeah. This fan, it came with a new it was new bearings. This fan had new bearings and everything. The summer quiet still works somehow. I don't even know how it still works, but yeah, I think we can lower it a little. Yeah. Turn it up a little bit. This fan runs so smooth besides having a little bit, the bearings are still a little stiff because it will not run on slower speeds. Like if you put the dial all the way down, then it won't work. It refuses to run. But yeah. Turn it up a little bit. I love this fan, honestly. It's like probably just like my favorite fan I own, honestly, or one of them, because I still have like the Moss Olympus and everything. Well, yeah, as you can see, it runs very good. Like, it runs so smooth. Like, it's unbelievable how smooth this thing runs. It's not loud. It's not buzzy. It doesn't have any bearing noise. It doesn't even shake. It's great. It's a fantastic fan. This is electrically reversible, by the way. And at the end, I'll show all the specs and everything. The light kit, it did not come with this light kit. I installed the light kit originally. It came with a spotlight. And I think it looked the best, so I was like, nah. I think we should change it. Turn it all the way up. And as you can see, it runs very well. See how much air it blows. Turn the light off. Then let's reverse it. It reverses very fast. Alright, so this is what the blades look like. As you can see, it's got Q55 motor, paired with the hand true, tag. Thank you to Thomas R. and Casablanca LaRoque for decoding the tag for me. And as you can see right there, that is the dial. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of my 1982 Casablanca 4-season ceiling fan, and I am